Net income. Our home is where we feel safer. In the search for jobs, low-income women often have to travel quite far away from their homes. On their journey, they often cross dangerous areas. They have to face the burden of poor public transport, including all the sexual harassment that occur on such places. Also, frequently they have to leave their children alone at home. At the same time, around 70% of low-income families have some income generation activity within the household. However, such income generation activity happens on a poor setting, resulting on a poor value added with direct effect on the amount of generated income. The net income system offers to low-income women, business partners, as well as public initiatives, the opportunity of a radical change on this situation. Net income consists of a catalog of income generation modules, easy to attach and connect to low-income houses. The catalog includes a wide range of workspaces, ranging from shoemaking and sewing to computer and appliances services. It can be applied both on new projects as well as on existing houses. Furthermore, besides of improving the quality of life at the workplaces within their own homes, net income provide a platform to connect the various modules within a neighborhood, city, or entire region. Being based on local cooperation and connected regionally enables women to increase their bargaining power when purchasing raw material and components, improve their marketing capability, share the benefits of training, and so forth. With net income, we will enable that Miss Maria stay close to their beloved ones, expanding her income capability and enhancing social cohesion of her community.